As you can see, man, we got another unboxing. And this particular package was on the hefty side, man. The shipping label was £4, so it's pretty durable, man. But this particular brand or company, I guess they rebranded. I wasn't a fan of their early design, so like I had no idea that they started dropping these. But now that I know they're dropping this particular model, I'm pretty sure this won't be the last one you see on this channel. And the brand in question is Kizo. I do like the label. You get a picture of the shoe with the size as well. The presentation is dope. This is a nice box, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. The colorway is the Soflo with South Florida. So of course you get the beach theme. This is a dope shoebox. Like this packaging is phenomenal, especially for the price. This is the cheapest like independent brand that I've came across. So to get a dope price with the presentation, that's bang for your buck, man. And the crazy thing about this particular shoe, that this is the original shoe that they were supposed to drop, but you know, some how can I say, some lawsuits happened, or you know, some cease and desist, I'm sure. So now they had to change the whole thing. But this box was already made, so they just kept it. So it's kind of, you know, kind of a dope story. But as you can see, the shoe in question, you know, it might remind you of something popular, you know. But yeah, let's go ahead and open these up. I didn't get the special dust bag, but it's all good. Man, this is another shoe box that will probably be staying in the collection. FYI. But you get the pink dust bag with Kizo on it. This is dope, man. So far, so good. Yeah, these joints look so bulky, it's crazy. But here we go, man. The KIZOKICKS. Let me get the box again so I can prop it up while we do a proper review of this shoe, man. Get the dust bag out of the way. And they come with plastic shoe trees, man. So I'm gonna let you know right now, this is definitely a heavy shoe. So if you skip leg day, these might not be for you. But as far as sizing though, I'm glad I went true to size. I would give that recommendation to anyone. Because to me, I feel like I probably could even go up to a 12 and a half. So just for future reference, I'm not really sure about that half size down thing, because this 12 is a perfect fit. If I would have went down to 11 and a half, I would have wasted my money. So for me personally, go true to size. Maybe next time I will consider going a half size up. You know, so I'm gonna see how they, you know, feel after a few wears. But overall, I am definitely a big fan of these. I probably wouldn't wear these with shorts ever, just because they're so like bulky and chunky. But you know, to each his own. But yeah, stick to true to size. That's my best bet as far as like fit. I would not recommend anyone going down in these. But yeah, let's go ahead back to the review. So man, off rip, this is definitely a chunky shoe. I'll probably be like 6'7" when I throw these joints on. That's how thick this sole is. Which I'm not, you know, I'm not mad about it. All the short people out there, you want to add a little height, man, get you a pair of Kizos. The shoe tree is crazy, man. Where quality meets creativity, a true work of art, the Kizo Diamonds. So I guess the motto of the shoe is a diamond. And look at the shoe tree. This is quality for an independent brand. I'm just saying. I had my fair share of run-ins with the independent brands, and this one by far, from the quality of the shoes to the packaging, the presentation, Kizo is definitely in the lead, especially for the price point. I'm just saying. I don't want to, talk about anybody's brand or shoot them down, but Kizo's definitely doing it different. So you get some nice suede on the upper, and there's like Tiffany blue colorway. You get the your tan hits, which I would assume is like the sand on the beach. So this is kind of like, the water like right on the shore where like the sand and the ocean meets. Cause that's, based on the packaging and the visual, that's what it reminds me of for sure. You get the 3 diamonds and like, it's like plastic piece, 3 diamonds on the back. The insole is crazy too. You get a nice beach theme on the insole as well. And you get, it's almost like an air unit on the insole. So I'm pretty sure comfort is going to be there. So that is a major plus in my book. I'm not going to lie, man. The more I'm looking over these shoes, the happier I am. So then you get like a diamond logo right here as well, like a little patch with more of that tan colorway. You get the Kizo patch on the lateral and the medial side, embossed with the Kizo branding. Get a little pull tab. You get like a mesh insole. Not insole. You get the mesh sock liner. You get the white chunky midsole with the thorn pattern like going throughout, which is dope. It's different, better than like a plain white midsole. You get some texture up here, is raised, so that's pretty dope. You also get the Kizo logo on the back as well. On the tongue, you get more Kizo branding. You get more of the suede patches as well. You get the rope laces, which is dope. I think they do come with extra sets of laces. Let me go ahead and check the other shoe. The outsole is crazy too. So you get the rose, which was a part of the original design, I believe. And you get the new diamond logo and get more Kizo branding. So this is definitely a shoe you will not mistake for anything else because it's Kizo all over it. And I am not mad at that at all. Check out this right shoe. So you get like the Tiffany blue laces, rope laces as well with the metal aglets. No pink. I thought it. So as I was filming the TikTok for this shoe, I did see the pink laces. They were at the bottom of the dust bag, so they came with the pink laces too. It's gonna come with like pink laces. I guess that was like a extra that they threw into their own pairs maybe. But I'm fine with the white and the Tiffany joints. I probably just keep the white in there. And this insole, okay, same thing. Nothing crazy. I thought like when you put them together, they make like a special picture or something. But overall, man, I'm not even gonna lie to you. The Kizo, man, y'all did it with this one. I wasn't hip. Shout out to TikTok because I had no idea that they came back with this particular model. I missed a few colorways, but it's cool, going forward. I'm definitely going to pay close attention to their new drops, man. So hopefully you enjoyed the on-foot portion. I know it was like size discrepancy. The actual creators of the brand or like the founders of the brand, they said go down to half size, but from customer experience, I've seen a lot of people say go true to size. So it was 50-50. So I just went with a 12. Hopefully they fit, but like, in the on-foot portion, I would let y'all know sizing recommendations and how they feel to me and all that good stuff, man. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about the Kizo brand. Like, I am definitely a fan so far. We'll see, going forward if anything changes with the designs or anything, but if they stick with these, I'm definitely looking forward to adding a few more pair. That's gonna do it for this one, man. Appreciate y'all for watching as always.